Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Are you doing study? Yes, very good. So once again welcome back to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School channel. Children, do you remember in the last session what we had learned? Yes, I had taught you lesson number 4 in the last session, and in that lesson what I had taught you? Yes, some safety rules that we should follow at home, at school, on the road and while playing. So today, before to start our new session, we will just take a short review what we had learned in a last session. Okay children? And I hope you all are settled with your book, pencil and eraser. Now I will show you one video. See that video.
Hello students, today we will learn few safety rules which will keep you safe at home. Do not play with switches or plugs. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. Do not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. Do not touch anything hot. In case of an accident, be sure to inform an adult. Do not let strangers enter the house. Do not touch switches. If you follow these rules, you will stay safe from accidents at home. Safety rules. Hello students, today we will learn few safety rules which will keep you safe at home. Do not play with switches or plugs. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. Do not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. Do not touch anything hot. In case of an accident, be sure to inform an adult. Do not let strangers enter the house. Do not touch switches with wet hands. You can get a shock. If you follow these rules, you will stay safe from accidents at home.
Okay students, just now you heard some safety rules that we should follow at home. So these were the some rules to follow at home. And after that we have learned also some safety rules that we should follow in school, on the road and while playing. So see which were the rules that we should follow at schools. Listen just. Do not run in corridor. Do not insert objects into your eyes, nose, mouth or ears. So these are the some safety rules that we should follow at school. Now see next on road. Follow traffic rules. Use the zebra crossing and footpath. When we want to cross the road, that time we should use zebra crossing and always walk on footpath. Then at play, when we are playing on the ground, that time also we should follow some safety rules. So see which are those safety rules. Do not play with sharp objects. Next, do not hurt anyone. While playing, you should not hurt anyone. So these were the some safety rules. Okay, got it children? Now everybody open your book, page number 189. So today we will see some question answers based on this lesson. Okay, everybody open your book, page number 189. Take your pencil in your hand. Are you ready? Okay, very good. See children, things you know. Question A, I am going to read. Listen it carefully. What is the question given here? See, choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. What is the question given here? See, here one help box is given for you. From that help box, You have to choose the correct word and you have to fill those correct words in these blanks. Okay? You got it? See which words are given in the help box. Fall. Next one is burn myself. Next word is cut my fingers. Next word is get a shock. I will put commas here so that you will know the words. Okay? So these are the 4 words and from these 4 words we have to choose the correct word. Okay? See first question. I will not play with switches or wires as I might. Once again I will repeat the question. I will not play with switches or wires as I might dash dash. Can you tell me what will happen if you will play with switches or wires? Yes, try to tell me. See this word. Which answer will come? Fall or burn myself, cut my fingers or get a shock. What will happen if you will play with switches or wires? Yes, correct. You will get a shock if you will play with switches or wires. Very good, students. So write here. Get a shock. S-H-O-C-K. Right. I will not play with switches or wires as I might get a shock. Done? Now come to the next question. I will not play with fire as I might dash dash. Yes. Gymnastics. You will fall? No. Then burn myself. Very good. If you will play with fire, then as I might or you might burn yourself. Isn't it? Okay. So write here. Burn. B-U-R-N. Burn. Put one finger space. Write here. Myself. M-Y-S-E-L-F. Myself. Done? Now listen once again. I will not play with fire as I might burn myself. Got it? Very good. See the next question. I will not play with a knife as I might dash dash. Knife is a sharp thing or it is a sharp object. Me, what will happen if you will play with knife? Yes, tell me. Yes, cut my fingers. If you will play with sharp object like knife, then your fingers will cut off. So what you will write here? Cut my fingers. Right. C-U-T, cut, one finger space, M-Y, my, one finger space, fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. No need to give full stop, already it is given there. Okay, listen. I will not play with a knife as I might cut my fingers. Done? Next one. I will never leave toys on the floor as I might. Now tell me, what will happen if you will leave your toys on floor? What will happen? Yes, correct. You will fall. Very good, students. Write here. F-A-double-L, fall. Done? Listen once again. I will never leave toys on the floor as I might fall. Got it, children? So remember, never play with switches or wires. Next, don't play with fire. Next, don't play with sharp objects, and never leave your toys on the floor. Okay, children, open next page 190. Shall I read next question? See, question B. What is given? Fill in the missing letters to know the answers. See, here missing letters are given, and there we have to write correct letter to get the answer. In the blanks, we have to fill the missing letters. Okay? See, first one. Instead of using a knife to sharpen my pencil, I should use a. What you will use to sharpen your pencil instead of knife? Yes, tell me. Every time you sharpen your pencil before writing, no? Then what do you use? What you use to sharpen your pencil? Yes, correct. Pencil sharpener. Can you tell me the spelling of pencil sharpener? Yes, already P is given here. Then what will the next letter? Yes, right. P, E, and P, E, and C. It is already given here. C, I, L. Pencil. Sorry. Students, write here all letters capital. Write P, E, and C, I, L. Write all letters in capital. P, E, and C, I, L. Pencil sharpener. S, H, A, R, P, E, and next again E, R. Pencil sharpener. See the spelling? P, E, and C, I, L, S, H, A, R, P, E, N, E, R. Pencil sharpener. Next question. Instead of playing with matches, I should play with. Now tell me, children, instead of playing with matches, with what will you play? Can you tell me? Yes, try to guess. See, children, sometimes you play a bicycle, you play with your teddy bear, you play bat and ball, sometimes you play with doll. So can you tell me what all these are? Bat, ball, doll, bicycle, teddy bear. What are these all? Yes, correct. These all are your toys. Then what is the spelling of toys? Do you know the spelling of boys? It is very simple. B-O-Y-S, boys. So, the rhyming word of boys is toys. So, what is the spelling of toys? Yes, you can prepare the spelling of toys. Very good. T-O-Y-S, toys. These are the rhyming words. Okay. So, see, T is already given here. Then what will be the next letter? O. T-O-Y-S, toys. Done? Now see, next question. Instead of playing on the staircase, I can play in the. Where you will play? Sometimes you play on staircases, but it is not safe for you. Then where you will play? In the park. Very good, children. Right. P-A-R-K. Park. You should play in the park. Very good. Next, question 4. While walking on the road, I should follow. Yes, what you will follow while walking on the road? Yes, very good. Traffic rules. Right? T-R-A-F-F, that is double F, I-C, traffic rules. R-U-L-E-S, traffic rules. Very good. Once again listen. While playing on the road, I should follow traffic rules. Done? Are you writing with me? Yes, very good. Shall I read the next question? Okay, see. Question C. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Here we have to give answer, or we have to write answer only in 1 or 2 words. First question is, where should we cross the road? Where should we cross the road? Yes? Very good. At the zebra crossing. So write here, at, A-T, at, T-H, the, at the, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, Z must be capital, crossing, C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, at the zebra crossing. You should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Next, which area of the road should we use to walk? Which area you will use to walk on the road? Yes, tell me. Very good. Footpath. We should use footpath, right? F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H. Footpath. You should use footpath to. Done? Next. Done? Listen now, I am going to read question D. Answer in 1 sentence. Listen students, here space is not there, so no need to write the answers. I will tell you the answers orally. Just listen the answers. See, why should we not play with fire? Why? Tell me. Okay, listen. We should not play with fire because it is dangerous and we could get hurt. What is the answer? We should not play with the fire because fire is dangerous and we could get hurt. Got it? Next question. Why should we not run in the corridor? In the previous session, I told you. Why should we not run in the corridor? Listen the answer. We should not run in the corridor because running in the corridor is dangerous for small kids and they may collide and fall. If you will play in the corridor, small kids may collide and they will fall. Got it? Next question. See. Question E. Get busy. Listen the question. It is not safe to play in some places. Tick the places where it is safe to play. Cross the places where it is not safe to play. See, some pictures are given here and besides those pictures, boxes are given. In those boxes, we have to tick that place which is safe to play and we have to cross that place which is not safe to play. Is it clear? Okay. Now see the first picture. What do you see in the first picture? Yes, in the first picture, one girl and one boy and girl are playing kite in the garden. Now tell me, is it a safe place for flying kite? Yes, very good. It is a safe place. So what you will do here? Cross mark or tick mark? Yes, correct. Make a tick mark. Next picture, look at to this picture. What it is? The boy is playing in kitchen. So tell me, is it a safe place to play? Kitchen is the safe place to play? No. You should play in the park. So what you will do? You will do here cross mark. Next, look at to this picture. What these boys are doing? Yes, these boys are playing with the ball. And where they are playing? Yes, they are playing in the park. So is it a safe place for playing? Yes. So what you will do here? Cross or tick mark? Correct. Make here tick mark. Very good. Now come to the next picture. Look at to this. What these boys are doing? These boys are also playing with a ball. They are playing a ball. But look at the place where they are playing. Where they are playing? Yes, they are playing on the road. So tell me, is it a safe place to play? Road? No, it is not safe. Instead of playing on the road, you should play in the park. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, done? Now come to the next page. Page number 191. Have you opened this page? Okay, very good. Now see children, what is given on this page? Things to do. These things you have to do. Listen, in the space given below, make a poster showing some safety rules. Do you know what is meant by safety? In the beginning I told you the meaning of safety. Safety means to stay away from harm or danger. Okay. Now what you have to do here? Here you have to make one poster showing some safety rules. Whichever you like, you make here some safety rules. Okay. Do it with the help of your parents. See, next one activity is given here. See what is given? List of telephone numbers. Take the help of a grown-up to make a list of important telephone numbers. While making the list, take the help of your elders, either your mother, father, elder brother or sister. You can call these people when you need help. Whenever you need, you can call to those persons. Keep the list near the telephone and in your school diary. You have to make 2 telephone number list. Okay. One you keep near the telephone and one list you keep in your school diary. And suppose if when you are in the school and that time if you need help of anyone, so that you can call to the particular person. Okay. See my helpline, father, mother, guardian. You can write anyone's number, either your father's, mother's or guardian's number. Next, doctor. Write here your family doctor's number and your any one of your neighbor number you can write here. Okay. Got it, children? What we have to do here? And already we have solved all the question answers. Okay. So children, today here we have completed our lesson number 4, that is being safe. So what you have to do? Today you have to read out all the safety rules that you should follow at home, at school, on the ground, on the playground and on the road. Okay. We will meet in the next session. Till the next session. Bye children. Take care.